Hey friends, what's up? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. I was cleaning the house and I got sick of it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take a break, go hang out with my friends and go make a video. I think that sounds a lot better than scrubbing toilets. I can get to that afterwards. Take a little breather. I'm so sorry I did not have a video out for you guys on Monday, so I got really bad news. We had to take our old Jack Russell Terrier. If you don't know who she is, she's my old sugar bear, and she had a lump, so I had to take her to the vet, get it looked at, and we had to schedule surgery for the 9th, early in the morning. I'm super scared. Last time she went down, she had a really bad reaction. Her heart stopped. They had to revive her. She vomited everywhere. It was really bad, but they promised me, we went through all her blood work and everything. I had everything drawn, and they said she's perfectly healthy and not to worry. It's going to be like that. They just have to cut it open, get it out, sew it up, and then they're going to send the lump to see if it's cancer or anything, because if it's benign, it won't come back. If it's cancerous, we're going to have to take next steps. So I'm hoping for good news, but I couldn't stop crying. So I was in no mood to make a video. I'm sure you guys understand. But I am so excited because I am going to be unboxing the July Slay Glam Box. And this is $24. And I missed the little bag. I wish they would get back to the bag. But I'm going to start off with the palette first. And I'm super excited because my good friend, she was one of my first friends on here when I started this channel, and she has been absolutely amazing. Through thick and thin, she has been by my side, and I absolutely love her. So her name is Michelle Martin, and she collaborated with Rasha B Cosmetics to make this. And this is why I love this girl. Beach, please. And I am wearing this look on my eyes, and I'll tell you what colors in a second. But look at this. Isn't that stunning? It is so bright, like her personality. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the swatches. And all of these are stunning. I have been playing with this palette for a week, and I was kind of hesitant of trying this, and this is why this is the last box that I decided to unbox, because I wasn't sure if I hated this palette. She knows I'm honest, so I'm going to come on here and give my honest opinion, and I wasn't sure she was going to love me if I did not like her palette. But I shouldn't have doubted her because this is absolutely amazing. So what I did is, throughout my crease, I did tan lines over here. Then night sky and ocean waves over here. I blended these two together and I put it at the outer corner. And then the pink over here, pink sunglasses, I patted in with my finger. Now I did use, for all the shimmer shades, my NYX glitter glue. Sorry, my allergies. And it is stunning. If you see, absolutely wonderful. Now with the pink sunglasses, you do have to use your finger on it. When I was using the brush, it's squishy. So if you look at this, do you see how that squishes? So you do have to use your finger on that one if you want to get the most out of it. But absolutely stunning. I'm so proud of my friend. That is so awesome that she already made a palette. She grinds on here. She works her tail off. I'm really impressed. She puts out videos no matter what. There could be a burning fire next to her and she will still find time to put a video out. An absolutely amazing video. I'm going to have to take some like editing classes and stuff to do better because I had to do the bare minimum. All right, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is going to be by Sachet, and these are colorful liners, and you don't just get one, you get 3 of them. And I tested these puppies out at work. So I work outside in hot, sweaty weather, and I was pouring sweat, and these liners stayed put. Now, when I wear colorful eyeliners, what I like to do is wear a very nude eyeshadow and then have the pop of color being the eyeliner, and it is so stunning. So you get a green, a blue, and then a purple. And I went for it. I put green on. I got so many compliments, and I work at a fine dining restaurant. So to get compliments on how my eye look turned out, that's a big deal. So let me go ahead and swatch these for you. Look at that. Absolutely in love with them. Okay, so the next thing is by Drippin' in Diamonds, and it's a duochrome lip gloss. Now, the packaging is a little much for me. I like to stick lip gloss in my pocket at work, and this would poke the heck out of me. So this is not really for me, but the formula is really pretty. So I have lip liner on right now, and I have thin little liver lips. So every time I wear my lip liner all over my lip, I always put a gloss right in the middle, and it just does a vroom. Because I don't like doing lip plumpers. I don't want to agitate my lips. I start slurring my words, and I already stumble over my words as is, so I don't need my lips puffed up and be thinking of that. And look, it just gives an extra oomph to your lips. So absolutely love that. I just wish it was different packaging. If you carry it in your purse, I guess it wouldn't be a big deal, but being in my pocket, that would stab my crotch all night. Because I have to bend down and sometimes talk to older clients, and it's hard to bend down and have this stab in you, because I'm not a thin girl. So me squatting down, that's enough for me. The next thing is a pigment. So this is also by Roshabi, and it doesn't say any color or anything, and this is the thing that irritates me about Slay Glam, is they took out their cards. I wish they would put their cards back into their boxes. If you don't want to give us the purse, fine. Maybe it's something's happening because inflation and she wants to keep the box at $24, but put the card in. It would take a few cents. So here it is. It's very, very tiny, but a little goes a long way. I just take whatever's in the cap, swirl it, and then pat it on my eyelids, and it's always more than enough. Now, I have not tried this one out yet, but look at that. And you need the littlest bit. Okay, we're on our final thing, and this one, I didn't like it. Now, when I use brushes, I don't have young, tight eyes, so I need good quality brushes. So I am picky when it comes to makeup brushes, especially around the eyes. And I demolished this box. I am sorry. I ripped in here. So this is by, what's her name? It's on here, Mana Kadar, and you get 4 of them. They are stunning. I love the gold over here and the white. It's very chic, but the performance on it, these two didn't do much for me. These were okay, but I had to go and bring my Scott Barnes eye brushes and use those because it was not performing how I want it. Now, if you have young eyes and you don't need a brush to do that much heavy lifting in your makeup routine, then you may like these. But I think Real Techniques makes better eye brushes. I think e.l.f. makes really, really good eye brushes. Before I switched over, I had a lot of e.l.f. brushes. I still do, like in the corner, but the ones I always reach for is my Scott Barnes brushes, and I only have 3 that I use an eye look for. So to me, it's worth it, and I've had them forever, and they hold up well. So this was a pass for me. I really didn't like it, but everything else I absolutely loved. But that is everything in my box. I absolutely love it, and I want to show you what I'm cleaning with. So anything that motivates me to clean, I do it. I put my little headphones on, have my heavy metal playing, and then I have my cute cup, and I ordered it on the TikTok shop, and it is even cuter in person. And this fits my personality. Look at that. Isn't that freaking adorable? I walk my dog, and I just see the people that are in the HOA like look at me like, this new neighbor. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm going to go get back to those stupid toilets. Love you guys.